Hi, I'm Mark Schneider, you're watching Schneider Classics, and today we're just going to get this thing ready for winter, just so it can be put to sleep, so it can be easily rejuvenated back in spring. So we're just going to add a little bit of sea foam into the tank. That's the way it's just the cleaner, and just make sure nothing builds up, make sure nothing builds up. That way, like, if anything does build up, if anything starts to gel up or anything with gas and separation, it just acts as an extra little breakdowner just to liquefy anything. And you only want to really add a little bit of this. And then another great tip, there are two ways to store your gas throughout the winter when you're parking something for the winter. You either fill it right up, because if there's any air left in the gas tank, water molecules can build up. And all that is because of condensation. I'm not a scientist, I can't go into the science of it. But water molecules can build up on the spare airspace because you have some water in there mixed with gas, because all gas has a little bit of water in it, and it will build molecules on the inside of the gas tank from the air. It'll pull the water molecules out of the air because air is hydrogen oxide something, sciencey stuff. I work on cars too much and sniff too much fumes. I don't know science.
Well, I started before you came here.
I see the show for a while.
You're smiling.
Anytime I hear an engine fire, of course you gotta smile. Plus, hearing an engine fire up is always good for camera.
Never thought it would happen. It never happened to me. It seems that clearly it has done, and now no longer I'm free. I am not free to be who I want to be. Can somebody come and rescue me? I am not free to be who I want to be. Can somebody rescue me? Somebody rescue me, 'cause I am not free. Somebody rescue me, 'cause I am not free. I never thought we'd be together. This is a shock just to me and you.
So, as you can see here, I took the fuel bowl off the carburetor this way. So I have a previous video when we were getting this bike running, and this was just filled with gum up. Now there's a little bit of settlement here, but that's normal, so I'm gonna clean that out while I'm here anyways. But by emptying this, then there is no way any settlement can get into here because it's empty, and there's no water, there will be no fuel, there will be no moisture, there will be nothing to collect moisture. It'll just be dry air. So by having the dry air, it'll be clean and it'll be ready to go. So, and when come spring, turn that key. The fuel bowl, after you'll have to because it's a vacuum fuel pump. This will have to cycle a few times with the starter to fill the fuel bowl up. And once the fuel bowl is up, she'll fire and go clean as smooth.
I never thought we'd be together. This is a shock just to me and you. And if we ever go together again, I wanna promise that we see this through. So I am not free to be whoever I want to be. Can somebody come in? Can someone come and rescue me?
Like a month to 2 months, really. Yeah, like once a month for like typically a long.
afraid to be who I
So now, but not least for this magnificent beast, this battery has to come out.
want to be. Can somebody come and rescue me? I am not afraid to be who I want to be. Can somebody rescue me?
And there you go, the bike's ready for winter. Battery's out, carb, there's nothing in the fuel bowl, and the gas has some additive to make sure nothing builds up or anything. She's going to top it off with fuel just to make sure there's no airspace for water moisture. But she is beautiful. Love this bike. Really love working on it. And man, when it fires up, it sounds beautiful.
Somebody rescue me, 'cause I am not afraid. Nobody rescue